State lawmakers may give California's strict vaccination law another shot.
The question is, who represents the public?
The law bars parents from citing religious or personal belief exemptions to get their children out of getting their vaccines. Good evening. Thank you for joining us. I'm Angela Greenwood. Now doctors say that law is not tough enough. CBS 13's Lamore Abrams is getting answers on the reasons behind it.
Doctors say they're seeing a unique new trend when it comes to vaccination rates in the state. Just take a look at the numbers. In public kindergartens, vaccination rates are now at an all-time high. But here's the concern. So are medical exemptions. This number here represents the children who've received medical exemptions this school year. That's a threefold increase since the vaccination law took effect. Now, doctors say these exemptions keep kids in school without vaccinations, and that, they say, raises red flags.
There's a very small number of physicians who have basically betrayed their professional oath.
Senator and Dr. Richard Pan says those doctors are manipulating the vaccination law he wrote, writing unnecessary or improper medical exemptions to allow children to avoid getting their shots.
I think they're monetizing their license.
In some cases, he says, doing so online.
Well, they're advertising that if you're interested in medical exemption, come talk to them.
He says many of those sites have been taken down, but the California Medical Board says it has opened investigations into close to 50 doctors who may have written invalid medical exemptions.
This one is wonderful for fever.
Sacramento Integrative Medicine Dr. Kelly Sutton is not one of them, but she has no problem writing medical exemptions for children who don't tolerate vaccines due to reactions such as asthma, allergies, and anxiety, to name a few.
Well, the biggest missing fact is that vaccine injury is real.
And in her office, those doctors' notes require extra patient testing and visits.
It's a very painstaking process. It's thorough, it's scientific, it's detailed, it's individualized.
Dr. Pan just wants to make sure all doctors are as thorough. He's now working with the medical board to help crack down on the rest of them.
When you have a physician acting unprofessionally and allowing other families to evade the law, someone needs to be able to represent the public and say that public health requires that we not allow inappropriate medical exemptions.
Now, the medical board says it can revoke a doctor's license for improperly issuing a medical exemption. It hasn't had to do that yet, but Dr. Pan says he plans to continue reviewing the data as well as his tough vaccination law to consider whether it needs to be rewritten. All right.